guys, welcome back to Cooking with Sma, and I am your host. My name is Sma. I know I haven't uploaded my chair squeaky. I know I haven't uploaded a video in quite a minute. Work has been a little crazy, but it's been a bit difficult for me to record for you guys. But I'm back with yet another video, and it's a quick one and easy one as per usual. We are making a chicken schnitzel. I have the star of the show, our chicken. I've already spiced it, seasoned it, and I have my flour, I have my eggs, and some breadcrumbs. Now I have a little system here going. I'm going to start with, excuse the chair, guys, excuse the chair, it's making a hell of a noise. Just going to start with the chicken coated in flour and then dip it in the eggs and then move it to the breadcrumbs. You want to make sure that your chicken is thoroughly coated with the breadcrumbs. Every inch of it, you want that little crunch when you take a bite. I know a lot of people are always concerned about my nails, guys. Again, some reassurance. I like looking pretty and I like cooking. I'm always in the kitchen, so hygiene is not an issue for me. My nails are always scrubbed, my hands are always washed every time I go to the kitchen and start, doing whatever. So feel free, relax. Everything is good. Everything is clean as it should be, and we're just going to continue to coat the chicken. And once I'm done coating the chicken, we'll move over to the stove and start frying. As I mentioned, I've already seasoned my chicken. I have a chicken spice there. Use whatever chicken spice you like. The choice is really up to you. Use whatever spices you like, but just in case you want to use the same spices that I used, I seasoned with some chicken spice. I have some salt and pepper. I have also lemon garlic pepper. If you don't have that, by all means move along. You can skip it. It's not that important. Use whatever spices that you like. As I said before, I have also mixed herbs. So that's pretty much what you see on the chicken there. Oh, and I also have some paprika. I love paprika. I always cook everything with paprika. So yeah, paprika also there on the spices. Now, while I'm busy doing this, I have my oil going already on the stove. You'll see when we get to that part, the oil is going, and I've put my heat on medium. So I'm using a cast iron pot. Use a pan or whatever floats your boat. There we go, and now we start frying. Make sure that your oil is hot enough. You don't want to put the chicken in there when the oil is not hot enough. It'll just absorb all that oil, sorry. And you want to keep an eye on your chicken, guys. You want to keep a close eye on the chicken. It burns really quickly, and we are looking out for that nice crunchy golden color on the chicken. So you'll see with this one, I left the stove for a minute there, and when I got back, the chicken was overdone. So you want to make sure that you are very close to the chicken. Keep an eye on it. It cooks very quickly, so it'll burn very quickly. And again, I've flattened the chicken just to make it easier to cook, and we want it nice and flat. As we know, the classic chicken schnitzel is, so you have to beat the living daylights out of your chicken. Don't kill it for the second time, just make sure that it's nice and flat. So there's that brown color that we don't really want. We want the golden color, so keep an eye on your chicken. Don't be like me. So I'm just now going to line my paper with what do you call this, guys? Paper towels. Yeah, with the paper towels, we want to drain off the excess oil left on the chicken once it's done, and we remove it from the pot. So that will help you with that. guys, this is a really yum recipe, and it's so quick. You can make it midweek after work, and you'll be in and out of the kitchen, and everyone will be happy. You can serve it with some chips or some a salad. Your steamed veggies. Your baked potato, whatever you like. You can just slap it with it, and it will slap. So I'm just going to go ahead here and start frying the rest of the chicken. So I will be serving this with some chips and a side of mushroom sauce. So if you are interested in seeing how I make my mushroom sauce, let me know and I will make a plan for you guys. Now that is the golden brown color that we are after, and you just want to keep it that way. The chicken, as it's flat and it's been beaten, for lack of a better word, you want to make sure that it is crunchy and golden brown on the outside, golden on the outside, but you also want to make sure that it's tender and moist on the inside. So you still want those juices flowing on the inside of the chicken. And remember again, guys, the chicken rests, and while it's resting, it's still cooking. So you want to just kind of time your chicken right. I think I fried about a minute or two on each side. um, just make sure that you get that color and that it's not hard, because chances are when you touch it and it's hard, chances are it is hard on the inside. So bear in mind, we want it nice, juicy and tender on the inside, as well as crunchy on the outside. And there goes our last piece. Our schnitzel is done, and that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and for your support. I'll see you the next time. Goodbye.